Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. My name is Glenn and I'm just an average guy cooking things that if I can cook them, you can too. Today I decided to share with you guys a recipe for refried bean and chicken enchiladas. I like this particular enchilada because it's using white flour tortillas versus corn and is very simple to make. So let's go ahead and dive into today's recipe. So for our ingredients, we're going to need 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 cans of refried beans, 4 cups of shredded Mexican style cheese, 22 10-inch flour tortillas, and 1 28-ounce can of red enchilada sauce. So we're going to start by boiling our chicken for about 45 minutes until fully cooked. And once our chicken's boiled, we're going to go ahead and shred it. There's lots of ways to do this, but I find the easiest way to do it is to just place the chicken in a separate bowl and use a couple forks. If it's been cooked thoroughly, it'll shred apart pretty quickly. So once we've shredded all of our chicken, we're going to mix in about 1/4 of our red enchilada sauce. Now, some of you guys, if you're actually paying attention to the ingredients, may have noticed that I actually had 4 chicken breasts in these bowls instead of the 3 that I recommended at the beginning. But I actually found that to be a little bit too much chicken, which is why I modified it to 3. And now that we've got that done, we're going to go ahead and prepare our baking sheet by taking another 1/4 of our enchilada sauce and spreading it across the bottom. So I usually just put spoonfuls across the bottom of the pan and then mix it up a bit. Helps to speed things up. Oh, that was fast. So now we're going to start building our enchiladas by just taking a tortilla, spreading a little bit of our beans across the bottom, some of our chicken, and then some of our cheese. Now, the tricky part here is not to put too much in these enchiladas. It is tempting to put quite a bit, but then if you do, you're going to have a hard time rolling it and you're going to end up with burritos instead of enchiladas. So we want to just roll them up as tight as we can get them and then sit them in the pan with the seam side down so they'll stay rolled up. And we're just going to repeat this process. Now we're going to take the rest of our enchilada sauce and spread it evenly across the top of our enchiladas. Then for the best part, the cheese. Oh, missed the spot. Now we're going to place our enchiladas in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees. And we're gonna bake these enchiladas for about 25 minutes. Once they're done, it's time to take them out and serve them up. Now, this is a pretty large recipe and does yield quite a few enchiladas, but I have 4 children, and with a family of 6 it does take quite a bit to feed us, which is one of the reasons why this meal is so awesome, because it's pretty quick to make. But you can modify this in any way that you need to fit your family. And nothing goes better with enchiladas than Mexican rice. I also did a video on how to make this rice as well, so you'll find a link down in the description for that, as well as a card will pop up here shortly. Then we're going to top it with some fresh cilantro. And time to enjoy. Alright you guys, thanks for watching today's recipe. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell, so you'll get notified of future videos. And if you found this recipe helpful, please hit the thumbs up. That helps the channel out. Also, if you have made this recipe, let me know what you think of it. Please leave it down in the comment section below. And until next time, I'm gonna enjoy these enchiladas and rice.